Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing clean, contiguous data, labels at top and numbers below so Google Sheets recognizes series. Once your range is ready, select it, include headers to auto-generate legend names. Click Insert, then Chart to drop in a default visualization. This first chart acts like a scaffold. It gives you immediate feedback about data shape and outliers. Make sure to eyeball axis scales now, since that initial view guides subsequent type and formatting choices. Next, use the chart editor to change chart type. Pick what matches your message. Line for trends, column for comparisons, scatter for correlations. Once done, refine axes. Set minimum and maximum values, choose linear or logarithmic scale, and adjust tick formatting so numbers are readable. Then customize series styling. Change colors, marker size, add error bars or data labels to clarify values. These steps reduce misinterpretation and make patterns stand out, so viewers immediately see the point. Finish by adding a clear chart title, axis labels with units, and a brief caption explaining the takeaway. Make the legend concise. Hide unnecessary grid lines for cleaner focus. If you want live updates, convert the range to a named range or use filter formulas so new rows auto-appear. If the chart shows blanks or wrong series, reselect the range, remove empty rows, and verify header consistency. One key troubleshooting tip: refresh the sheet and reapply the range. This fixes most plotting errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.